Is your PC speaker volume way too low, even when it's turned up to 100%? Here is the exact way to open the hidden Windows control settings and instantly boost your speaker volume. First, press the Windows key R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type in Control and press Enter to launch the classic control panel. Next, click on Change Sound Card Settings under the Hardware and Sound category to open the Sound Properties window. Under the Playback tab, find your active speaker, right-click on it, and select Properties. Now navigate over to the Enhancements tab at the top. Look through the list of settings, find Loudness Equalization, and check the box next to it. This built-in feature normalizes your audio outputs, making quiet sounds much louder and clearer. Finally, click OK to apply and save your changes. If this quick audio boost helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast Windows tutorials.